Hi, Paul Hefty here with the Triangle O football system. I want to show how we do a stacking teaching progression to make complex simple. We're going to introduce here the deep choice stacking using phase 1, 2, 3 to get to that deep choice. Phase 1, 4 verts. Phase 2, then all hitches or tracers. And then phase 3 to the deep choice series. Let's take a look. Phase 1, we like to come right out and run 4 verts. You can see the Z and the X are going to run the go or the tracer read, A on the bender, and H on the seam. Key point here, the quarterback uses a 2-phase read where he's going to do that mesh and rock forward with the back, reading the middle safety. Phase 1, he's going to go ahead and look for those inside receivers up the hashes. If he's got them, then he'll take a shuffle drop and throw. If it's not 100%, then he's going to go ahead on his shuffle drop phase 2, pick the X or the Z, and read that tracer or go route. Key is with your teaching, we use this drill 25 where you can see on the bottom left, we got 2 quarterbacks going with the 5 receivers. QB1 is going to be the reset, so they're both reading the goat in the orange, but now QB1 is going to be in phase 2 and go to the X or the check down to the back. On the right is the primary read where he's got phase 1. If he's got the H or the A, he takes it. If not, then he's going to the Z on the go or the tracer read. At the same time, the O-line's working pass pro. Phase 2, then we go to now all hitches. Basically, we're just going to go ahead and all run our tracer routes. One change, the back now will check release to a swing route. Quarterback will take a 3-step drop. Still going to read inside out, but now we're going to read that Sam in the red strong hook defender. We introduce then the 3/1 rule when we go to a 3-by-1 set. The only person that changes is the H, where he's going to go from the 3 receivers back to the 1, running his same hitch route. Again, drill 25, you can see now on the left, the quarterback 1 has the primary read, reading inside out, and QB2 has the reset going inside out. Last, phase 3 now we put it all together with the deep choice. We're going to go 3-by-1 first with the X running the deep choice route. Again, H is going to run his 3/1 rule. A's got the bender he learned earlier. We have the Z run a 10 tag here, but the X now is going to be able to run his go or his tracer, and then we just add the glance versus cover 0. With teaching, real simple on the left, we're going to go ahead and do outside choice read route work. We'll first just run the routes independently on the left there, and then on the right we'll do it where we read it. On the far right, now we'll do the inside choice route. Same thing. On the left-hand side, doing the routes independently, and on the right as we do reads. You can see then we can designate every receiver to learn the choice route. The Z now runs it from the outside, combining our 4 verts and our all hitch concepts, but the Z has the deep choice. We can go to an inside with the A running it. We can max protect this with the back and the H, still having the A run the inside choice. And then last, we can also have our H back, have the mismatch, and run an inside choice. You can see now using the stacking system of phase 1, 4 verts, phase 2, all hitches or tracers, and then putting it all together, phase 3 in the deep choice, gives you a way to make complex simple. Thanks.